Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday, 12th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures if we see low risk opportunities. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was in sideways range, fluctuating around the previous day low and close on all E-minis during the global session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price has started to go up on all E-minis. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down and see in which direction the price move and create a well-established trend. If it goes up, we will take long position, and if it has a pullback and goes down, we will take sell short positions. And when it reaches the support area again and the buyers come back, we will take long position. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back and it's afternoon, and I took some long position at the beginning of New York market and missed to record it, but now the price reached an area of the resistance and we had a pullback, so I entered one sell short position on Nasdaq that was closed with profit. So I'm waiting for another deeper pullback to enter sell short positions, or I see if the buyers coming back now based on price action and order flow, and take long positions with setup B and C here on Nasdaq. So now it's good area to enter one long position with setup C here. So one long position was filled and limit orders were adjusted for setup B below that, and we're waiting for the buyers to come back and push the price higher. So I just close it quickly because the volatility was high. So we entered one long position because the buyers were strong not to miss the trend, and set limit order that got filled with for the second position with better average price. We're adjusting now the stop and targets and waiting for the buyers to come back. And this is still the area of setup C that has only 50% chance. So the buyers are pushing the price. I close one position manually and also close the second position with profit. As you see, the volatility is high and we are in a triangle narrow range pattern. So we're going to stop for the day, and let's have a look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see, we are positive and reach profit factor of 2.47, which is coming from 70% win rate, 72% from 11 long positions, and also 66 from 3 sell short positions. The average win to loss ratio is 1. The largest winning trade was $385, and the largest losing trade was $159. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.